Hello everyone, today we will start with the chapter 12, symmetry. Firstly, we know about axis of symmetry and a line of symmetry. When we see that certain figure evenly balanced proportion, we can say that there is symmetrical. When we see in the first figure, if we draw a symmetry line here, then we see that left portion is exactly equal to the right portion. It means that figure is symmetrical. Okay, if I draw a triangle here, okay, and you draw a symmetry line here exactly at the center, and we obtained left and right part is exactly equal, then this line is called axis of symmetry, line of symmetry. Okay, and when we draw a line here, this line is not dividing that figure evenly in a balanced proportion. Now here we see in the upper portion we are having a small triangle, and in the lower portion we are having a four-sided shape here. Okay, these two figures are not equal and not look as it is and as the previous one, so that's why this is not a symmetry line. Okay, symmetry line is that line which line distribute the whole figure into two equal parts. Now we move to our exercise. Firstly, we will start from part second. Check whether the following figures are symmetrical or not. Firstly, we have to find that these two figures are symmetrical or not. We firstly draw a symmetry line over here. Like I draw a line here. You have to draw this line with the help of scale. Now these two figures are exactly same. Like if you fold a page. If you fold a page and cut one triangle, then after opening, these two triangles are same. So that's why this figure is symmetrical, and this is the line of symmetry. And now when we observe this figure, if we draw a line here, then left and right portion are not equal. So we draw a line this, and then we see upper and lower portion are exactly equal. Then this is the symmetry line, and this figure is symmetrical. Now when we observe Z, then in Z this figure is not symmetrical. Simply we have to write here not symmetrical. Now next one also, if we draw a line here, then there is a gap between and the spaces are not equal. So that's why this figure is also not symmetrical. Now we move to next figure. When we draw a line here, then this figure is symmetrical. Okay, and then we observe this figure is symmetrical, and this is the symmetry line of this figure. Now when we move to sixth part, if I draw a symmetry line here, then it means here it is not symmetrical, and if I put a symmetry line in this way, then we see that this figure is not symmetrical. But there is a one way. If I put a line in this way, okay, now these two figures are symmetrical. So that's why this is the symmetry line of the given figure. Now you have to try the part 7th, 8th and 9th. 7th, 8th and 9th question of part second. After this we will start from part third. Next part, first question. With the help of mirror and a square paper, complete the following at the dotted line of symmetry. आप लोगों ने line of symmetry को complete करना है with the help of mirror. You can solve it also. If you draw this figure in a page, and you will place that page in the near of mirror. अब जब भी इस तरह की शेप, ये लेफ्ट साइडेड शेप्स को एक पेज के ऊपर ड्रॉ करके मिरर के पास लेकर जाओगे, तो इनकी एक रिफ्लेक्शन पड़ेगी मिरर पे. वो मिरर रिफ्लेक्शन किस तरह की होगी? Exactly in this way. Okay, and you can observe it with your mirror and page. आप एक पेज लेकर मिरर के ऊपर एक पेज के ऊपर ये लेफ्ट साइड ड्रॉ करके मिरर के ऊपर उसकी रिफ्लेक्शन देख सकते हो। आप लोगों ने ये जो बनानी है इसे इतना ध्यान रखना कि ये अप्रोक्सीमेटली लेफ्ट साइड के जैसी लगे। ओके, नाउ यू हैव टू कंप्लीट दिस पोर्शन एंड complete these two MCQs.